How's everybody doing out there tonight or today, wherever you are? 11:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on 10/5/2020. Okay, we got the market at 339 billion and 10. Ooh, bummer. 10 billion for the daily. There's not much going on there for volume, but BTC, of course, 10 billion is 10 billion, but you need 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now, 10,770 for BTC, holding steady pretty much. ETH at 353, really holding steady overall, just down a slight bit. And XRP at 25 cents, doing great. When you look at the rest of those guys over there, and you look at XRP, yeah, that's the ticket. Up quite a bit over the last week, and doing pretty good. Keep it going, XRP. Keep it going. And let's get over to some breaking news. You probably already heard that SEC filed criminal charges against John McAfee for shilling some coins. John McAfee was arrested in Spain on those charges. So that's your breaking news right there. And we'll have to see what happens with that whole situation. But once, he's been running from authorities for quite a while, so now they got him. And what happens? How good are his lawyers? That's the question. Ripple CEO names execs to build on Ledger, Tech, and XRP liquidity. You got to look at coins that have asset value. Yes. What coins are out there that have a lot going for them? Not many, right? XRP has it. Apollo has it. GSX has it. Speaking of that, there's an update on what's going on for a new property that was bought, mining property for GSX, increasing its asset value. Zeliqua. I'm not a personal fan of Zeliqua, okay, but with this whole NXT stuff that's going on, which Apollo will take care of everything on that. But this title makes me laugh. They launched their first DEX, DEX, built by Switcheo. Guess what? Apollo has a DEX built by their devs on the network, okay, that they have evolved and developed way beyond what they got from NXT and Zeliqua. Okay, 2-second blocks, sharded network, which nobody, look at Ethereum. Ethereum still can't do sharding. Okay, Apollo's did it since last year in the summertime. The DEX, active, and Apollo built it. Their devs built it. So way ahead of what these guys are doing. Metamask hits 1 million monthly users thanks to DeFi boom, which for Metamask, pretty damn good. For DeFi buyers, some are good, some are bad. C.C.DC would present unique security risk Bank of Canada because in a new paper the Bank of Canada argues that the safety of the central bank digital currency might rely on third parties such as exchanges. That's why you need to have the national payment platform that Apollo has. A gold standard currency hosted on the blockchain, Apollo's blockchain, not relying on exchanges, ladies and gentlemen. It's built and distributed through that. And that's why you should talk to Apollo. Now, when you look at the GSX website, anybody that's thinking about this and what's going on, Apollo is reinvesting from the gold mines that they have in trust. Not just gold. It's copper that they just bought a new mine, copper and a bunch more that's in the refineries that they're getting. Right, they're reinvesting into the GSX coin to keep its value. It's a stable coin, so you want to keep its value, but the rare thing is to increase its value from the assets held. And if you give away too many coins, you reduce its asset value. And you can't have that because that won't make anybody that holds GSX happy. So Apollo is taking care of business and doing that and making sure that it's done the right way. When you look at Apollo's white paper, you should read this for the GSX. This will give you a much better idea of what they're doing for reinvesting to make the value of GSX go up, up, up. The link is down below for you to get it. It's less than 5 cents. And it's going to go up because of reinvesting from mines held in trust, and that is a rush. So you got that going there, and this is something you should read, ladies and gentlemen, because when you do this and you understand what's going on for the reinvesting, basically the reinvesting will cause the value of GSX to go up, and if you give away too many coins and airdrops, it will go down, and that is understood. But for the very generous program that Apollo is doing for the holders of Apollo, there are free coins given to some free coins, not a lot, but some free coins given to Apollo holders, and that they should thank Apollo for doing it. Because why? They're less than 5 cents right now, and they're going up in value from reinvesting. So get ready to rock. I had 2 pages of the white papers up. No, go to here. Speaking of ready to rock, let's go here fast. Let's show you this. You got the leasing airdrop for the second one coming on the 23rd from Apollo. Thank Apollo for doing that for you. And the amount of coins that will be given will be determined and let out to everybody. Alright, so we're not sure exactly how much yet, but a few coins will be sent your way on the 23rd. So they will get 2 days before this. Apollo will release the address for the leasing address. I will have that for you, and I'll show you how to do the leasing if you've never done it before. It's very easy to do in your all-in-one wallet, and with the all-in-one wallet that has the DEX built into it, private messaging, data storage, voting, forging to get free coins. Yeah, that's Apollo has all that. And speaking of what they have on all that, what's coming for Apollo? United Allied States. First state is done in the bag. Okay? Other states signed. But this is the ticket. 2 new ones that are coming to the fold that are going to be right up there in the top 3 released, most likely, right off the bat. Crazy critters. One that's being held back a little bit is something that when you see it, for the infrastructure they're building for finance and basically production. I would say that is the best way to put it, for production. It's going to be a production center, and that's going to be something that's going to be pretty cool for the infrastructure they put in for that. So anyway, you got the United Allied States. You got Stratus coming. I've been testing the Stratus along with other influencers that have been doing it. As Steve says, a 5 out of 5 score on Stratus. There's nothing to complain about. It's only, wait till you see it. That is the best way to put it. Wait till you see it. And it's coming. So remember this, for Apollo, who else is doing all this? Nobody. They have all this, dividends for GSX and APL holders. They have the programs and products that will astound everybody, because the United Allied States will make world history. Stratus, all-in-one social ecosystem. KNOX Bank, KNOX World Pay, pay with SMS anywhere in the world. Okay, Gold Inc. All this is coming. So when you talk about what you're reading here while I'm talking, he's talking about increasing the asset value, Steve is, and basically making sure of keeping the GSX base value the way it is and making sure that the coin goes up in value. So they are basically not sure how many coins they're giving out on the airdrop this time around, but they're playing it the smart way, and that is the ticket. So anybody that's getting the airdrops, you're getting free coins. So you shouldn't bitch at how many you get. You're getting free coins. The people that are buying GSX, which a lot of you have, you're smart because you see the investment. I'm not your financial advisor, but I'll tell you one thing. When you do your own research and you see that reinvesting into a coin is going to make its value go up, and you see that Apollo is spending the money to get that property, yeah. So as Carl Pennock said here, or Pennock, can't really see it there, Pennock, yes, thank you, Carl. The airdrop is for free, and I find the behavior of some in the group is outrageous. You should better be thankful. Correct, Carl. That's the ticket, because they are free. So don't bitch about free coins and how many you get. You are getting them. So this Stratus ecosystem, and like I said, I've been testing it. The dashboard over here on this side will give you a lot of features of hubs for all the different places you can go. to do different things, Facebook style, Twitter style, Pinterest style, everything, all in there. And then have the easy thing. This is just showing the personal of each. When you go into the main dashboard, you'll see what I mean. It gives you a great amount of options to take care of business with your friends, family, subs, because there's going to be a YouTube-based piece in this, and I will have a featured channel on that YouTube-based piece. So a lot is coming, and it's all coming soon. So everybody, this is your update on the breaking news of John McAfee, and more breaking news will be coming. Because when you look at what is happening in the market, look at what Ripple's doing, XRP's doing, where they're going up in price while the market's not doing well. Look what is coming out for Apollo. What's going to happen to APL value? What's going to happen to GSX from reinvesting? You tell me. I think a lot of you guys are smart out there. Later, guys.